My name is Deji Nehan, and I'm a regulated mortgage advisor and financial planner. Today, I'll be answering the question on should I pay more on my residential mortgage? You might be in a situation where you have savings and you're wondering, what should I do with that savings? What a lot of people don't know, there is the option on most mortgages for you to pay a little bit extra on your standard mortgage. Most lenders will allow you to pay up to 10% of the outstanding loan on a year basis. That means you wouldn't be charged any fee for making that payment. So that's quite a substantial amount over time. If you take that option, that means you're potentially able to pay out your mortgage in 10 years, if that's the option for you. But the question I want to answer is, what should you do if you have savings and you're thinking of putting it over your mortgage? I would say if that is something you consider, then it's a good option, but you might want to think about what are the implications of that. One of the implications of that is the fact that when you put your money into a property is not a liquid asset, so you don't have access to that money any longer. So previously you had it in your savings account while you have access to it, but now you won't have access to that. So that's quite an important thing to be aware of. I know savings account doesn't give you much interest, but in some situation you might want to keep at least some funds in a savings that you have access to. Usually people would say you need an emergency funds to set aside, but if this is, I'm assuming that this money is outside your emergency fund. So yes, the option to pay 10% is what a lot of lenders would agree to, so you might want to explore that. So thank you very much. Hope I've been able to answer your question. I have only answered that question based on what option do you have. Would your mortgage allow you to pay a bit of overpayment on your mortgage? So yes is the simple answer. And you might think on the other side, let's imagine in the future you have a situation where you do not have money to pay on your mortgage. A lot of lenders will allow you to use some of the overpayments you made in the past, so you can use it towards your mortgage. So, but that depends on your scenario and the lender. So that might be a possibility, but you might be missing other things. So I would say take an advice from a financial planner to help you to understand. It will be much better for you to put your money, the extra money on your mortgage, paying the overpayment, or you might have other options. Maybe you need to think about your ISA if you've not used your ISA for the year, or you need to think about pension. So this is not a question about your ISA or your pension. I'm just saying there might be opportunity cost, and you might want to think about everything holistically to know where is the best way to put your extra income. Either paying overpayment on your mortgage, or there might be other investment options. Pension, your ISAs, or anything else that might be there for as an investment. So I would advise that make the use of a financial planner that will be able to answer that question for you. So if you're thinking of a financial planner and you want to think about the holistic use or holistic purpose for your money, I'm happy to know about your scenario, and I'm happy to point you in the right direction. Either to use it for overpayments, or you want to consider the ISA, or you want to consider pension, or there are other investments you can actually think about. One of them might be, could you actually be thinking about your tax planning in that game as well. So if you have any questions, please give me a shout. Please take some time to subscribe to my channel. I'm open to share more videos with you. If there's any video you'd like me to share that would help you in your journey, please let me know, and I'm happy to make a video to answer your question. Thank you very much. Hope that was useful. I'll catch you again. Please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. Thank you very much.